What are you guys doing here? Remember only birds.
After lots of running. Hey, Gar, can we get in, please? Okay. Fine, we made it. That was a crazy run. It's her house.
Who?
Pink's house.
Okay.
I'm giving a present. You're here.
To Pink.
It's Pink. You're here. Are you still sleeping?
I don't think she's awake. I'm coming.
Oh,
Pink. Yummy fish. Soup for the three of us.
yum.
So, do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah. Ha.
Yummy food. Boss, I found them. Hey, where did you get it? What's going on? I'm getting the poison effect.
Oh no! I knew it! I captured Scrooge! You killed him. It wasn't me. Here, drink this.
Hey, what happened?
Thank God you're okay. Well, there was a bird that gave me this food. I think he lives in the cave.
Okay, let's end him once and for all. And I know him. Let's go kill him. Guys, look, ants, man.
Wow, a Campbell, so cool. Yeah.
We're here. I'm here to kill you. We're getting attacked by a rooster, a hen, and a golden eagle. Why exactly are you killing me, the King of Shadows? We're here to kill you for what you did.
Right. You're going down.
Grr! Attack! Soldier, attack! No! Roar! Get out of my cave, you weaklings! Grr! Take this! They are thinking. Like I said, get up! No! Oh! No! Grr! Oh no! No! Grr, grr. Wait, no, what's up? Wish that everyone was nice here.
No, Green.
Wait, no, help me!
Whelan, you won. Also, let's save Warren. Alright. Okay.
Guys,